All right, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm your host, Preston R. Harris. This is the Africa Mastermind. We are so grateful to have you today on our wonderful call. So, what we'll need from you this morning is we need to know who we're talking to, who's on the call today. So, I need you to unmute yourself. I'm going to call your name, introduce yourself, and share a quick success story for the week. I have Sheridine. Sheridine, we're gonna get started.
Hi. Yeah, sorry, I
See,
got the time difference wrong. I thought it was 4 o'clock, but you started at 3, I think. So I
I
don't know.
think
I getting the
daylight
time.
savings time. Daylight savings time in America is kind of messing it up a little bit. So I
Right.
guess it is 3 o'clock your time. So thanks for
Yeah.
joining us from London. Go ahead and introduce yourself and come on camera. We'd love to see your beautiful face and introduce yourself and share a success story for the week with us.
I'm actually in my shop. I don't know if you can see.
Oh, the
Um,
haberdashery shop.
yeah, can you see all around? Actually,
It's
let
a
me go
little
outside and do
blurry
it.
in the back. Your background is blurred.
Oh yeah, it is. Hang on a minute. Maybe it's the phone. Hang on. Is that better?
Huh?
It's blurry, isn't it?
Yeah, it's still a little blurry. When you go to your video, go
Yeah.
to video, click that little arrow up, and it says blur my background that you can use. You can unblur that background. You should be able to unblur it that way.
Hang on. Which one? Go to what? Sorry.
Go to video, the arrow, and it should have a button where you can
Yeah.
not unblur your background.
I don't know how to do that. Where's that? Sorry. You
It should just be on the audio and the video button right under there
you mean on the Zoom or just my camera?
on your Zoom.
Oh, I see. Sorry. Um, okay.
And then when you click it, we should be able to see that background and it should be clear.
I don't see it.
But if it's fine, we'll just take a picture for us and put it in the chat.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it's blurry. Sorry. Yeah, my name's Geraldine Mumini. Sorry, I would love to have seen my shop. It's Sarah's Haberdashery. It's in Shepherd's Bush Market in London, in West London. We've been here for about 39 years now. Yeah, I took over the business from my mum, so I've had it for about 2 years. So a great, what was it? Sorry, a great success.
A success story for the week, for the
A
past week.
success story for the week would have been because 65% of my customers are Arabs. And I had one lady, she came in and she spent literally the whole day here and she spent like £3,000 worth of stuff. I mean, I would love to, I don't know, I can't see these kind of things. Can you see them? They're like diamantes. You probably can't see. But yeah, she bought like loads of diamantes and stuff. Can you see it there? No, can you see it there? Can you see that?
It's still kind of blurry.
Yeah, I don't know why. Is it my phone or something? I don't.
Um, I think it's I think it's because
Is it the
it's
cam?
got
The
the blurrier background on. And so maybe if you try to turn the camera
how would that
around.
have, how would that have happened? The camera. Uh,
Mm. Yeah, we still can't see the stuff, but I think it is
I've done something. Uh, just made that worse. Okay. Oh dear.
okay.
Uh,
Well, maybe you can you make a video for us and then just put it in the chat just so we can see some of the stuff that you have in your shop?
yeah, I can see it's very blurry. Okay, right. So maybe it's a virtual background is there or something.
Yeah, yeah, I
Aha!
think.
I had a virtual background on.
All
Sorry
right,
about
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. So now we can see the shop. Now we can see what's behind you. So show us around Sarah's haberdashery
If I do
and
it
where are you
outside
located?
Shepherd's Bush Market in West London. So it's an outside shop. So I think I have to go this way. That's
Okay.
the shop behind me, and I will go in the shop so you can see. Hang on. Oh, so right, you can see um like diamond teas and stuff. So those are the
Yeah.
zips. So that's I don't know if I do that way. Do that way. A collection of zips. They're like invisible zips, metal zips, trouser zips, tassels and things. Up there is velvet ribbons. You've got satin ribbons. You've got lace trimmings. There's wool for knitting. Um, appliques. Other bits and pieces here. These are the diamantes. What the Arab lady bought. She bought all of these things. I charge like £25 a yard for these. Very expensive. um, so these are ribbons as well, and some more diamantes up here too, and then more zips and other bits and bobs. So there you go.
All right, Dean. Thank you. Welcome to you. Welcome to your first official Mastermind
Thank you.
call, and thank you for
Got
showing
there in the
us.
end.
Yeah, thank you for showing us Sarah's haberdashery, and go ahead and put your contact information in the chat, and we
Yes,
look
I
forward
will.
to hearing more amazing success stories out of West London. So thanks for being on the call today. Let's go to Diaria. Diaria is my partner with this Africa Mastermind. Diaria, thanks for being on the call. I'm glad you're okay. I know you had a car accident last week, so we're glad that you're well and that you're still in the land of the living. Go ahead and unmute, introduce yourself real quick, and share a success story for the week with us.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Hopefully, you can hear me well. I'm Diaria Hookson. I am based in Ghana and also in the States, primarily Texas. Um, I I run a marketing firm where I do marketing and PR, and I also work on in music, doing music marketing as well. Um, in addition to producing a radio show out here in Ghana. My success story for the week would be we got a venue for our next event, so we're having a pool party called Boxers and Bikinis. So we're gonna yeah, for the
Boxers
boxers.
and bikinis? Oh, it's gonna be cracking. I already know it's gonna be cracking. When is that, Diaria?
In May 2nd.
I don't know if I can get to Ghana that fast, but I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check it out. It's good to see you on the call. Everything else is going well.
Yes, and I'm so thankful. A few people I've invited have joined the call as well. So
All right, yeah. Speaking of the people that you invited, Quincy. Quincy was the first person on the call. Quincy, thanks for being on the call today. Go ahead and unmute real quick. Come on camera and introduce yourself and share a success story for the week with us.
Hello, everyone. My name is Quincy Jones. I'm a broadcaster, media practitioner. I'm also a marketing and corporate communications executive here in Nigeria. Um, I've worked in what's he called the financial services industry as a marketing and corporate communications executive. Um, uh, and I'm currently heading station manager for a radio station in Nigeria called Base 101.1 FM. Achievements for the week. Achievements for the week would be International Women's Day. All right. So I did a couple micro activations for International Women's Day for the radio station. I had top female executives between last week, Friday, before International Women's Day on Sunday. And then between yesterday and today, I've had about seven more top female executive guests to just spotlight them, right? And also for the corporate communication side of things, also International Women's Day activation for Pixel Pay Systems Limited. It is what's it called? Is in the financial services industry, right? It's a payment gateway. I don't know if you know what a payment gateway is, but it just basically eases payments between platforms, right? Yeah. that's about it.
I like, sir. Go ahead and put your contact information in the chat for us. And we can tune into your radio station. We can listen to something we
Of
can listen
course, you
to.
can listen. You can listen online via the website.
Okay, awesome, awesome. Well, it's a pleasure to meet you, brother. Thanks for joining us on Mastermind today. We're excited
My
to have
absolute
you, and
pleasure.
thanks for the amazing stuff that you're doing. We love to get plugged in with the people who are doing great things. So thank you for joining us, Quincy.
My absolute pleasure.
All right, Rexford, Diaria invited you as well. So Rexford, we're gonna go to you. Thanks for joining us today, and go ahead and unmute, introduce yourself, and share a success story for the week with us.
Hello and greetings, everyone. My name is Rexford Kwashi, and it's a pleasure to join you all. I'm an entrepreneur and also a creative strategist. I'm currently serving as the head of operations for the Young Global Leaders Network, where we empower youth from across the world. I'm also the co-founder for Fortified Network, a media company as well. My success story for the week is we were able to organize a forum Sunday, which is International Women's Day Forum. And then we were able to, attract audiences from all over the world, people from across Asia and all. So the fact that we had a very successful and impactful one, that's it for me. Thank you all.
All right, Rexford. And so you said you help with youth, get them on the right track. Can you tell us just a little bit more about that, sir?
Please come again.
You said you help with youth, or you help get them on track. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Okay, so I'm with the Young Global Leaders Network, okay? And then I'm trying to share my screen right now, but I'm being told only the host can. If you can kindly permit me, I would like to share my screen a bit.
Let me 1 second here.
Okay, then
All right, you should be able to share your screen. Go ahead, Rexford. Okay, now we can see you. Rexford, are you there? Okay.
Yeah, it looks frozen.
All right, Rexford, we can't see anything, so we're gonna keep moving. Yeah, we're gonna keep moving. So thanks for the try. We'll come back to you a little bit later. Let's go to Miss Shanice Gibbs. Shanice, thanks for being on the call today. Go ahead and unmute, introduce yourself, and share your success story for the week with us. All right, it seems like Shanice might be busy. So let's go to Bertram. Bertram, thanks for being on the call today. Go ahead and unmute, introduce yourself, and share your success story for the week with us.
All right, hey, how's everyone going? My name is Bertram Simmons. I'm the CEO of Freedom Plan Management. I'm also affiliated with Tax Lady 2 and Fidelity Wealth Group. I do financial services. So if you're looking for a plan to be a tax-free millionaire, I'm the guy you see. I also help with tax planning and business planning and business development. Right now, my biggest win for the week is I've found a partner that is currently going to help me explode the expansion of my business. As a matter of fact, I'm on my way to go meet up with him right now. So it's gonna be this week has been phenomenal, and it's getting even better, and you guys are gonna see it coming up. Thank you for the time for allowing me to share this with you. Also, Dr. B will be on in just a few. She's having some technical issues.
Yeah, Dr. B's on. Dr. B is on. So Bertram, you out here hunting. That's what we love to hear, B. So good luck. Um, Good luck with your big fish, your big clients that's going to transform your business. We love to hear that. And thanks for being on the call today. Let's go to Michelle Aka. Michelle, thanks for being on the call today. Go ahead and unmute real quick, introduce yourself, and share a success story for the week with us.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, family. My name is Michelle Aka. I am the president and founder of BNet Foundation, based in the US, but which does work mostly in French Africa. And now we're going beyond French Africa into English speaking countries. My success for the week. Well, today, well, basically for our event in May, we partnered with the Lux and ticket selling and fundraising towards the National Day of the Kangaroo Method. So today they have their games. So anyone who purchased ticket through us will be able to spend time with the players in halftime. And so we're getting ready for it tonight, actually.
That's phenomenal. That's wonderful. How was your trip to the Virgin Islands?
It was beautiful. It was exhausting, but it was beautiful. It
Oh,
was beautiful.
that's wonderful. And tell us what BNet Foundation does again, one more time for those who are not familiar.
Vienna's Foundation operates on three pillars. We have our education side, with what we have Celebration of Excellence in July. Every July, we have our healthcare with, we partnered with a few local organizations. We started in the Ivory Coast, but we're being invited a bit all over. We got an invitation from Burkina last night, and take, we partner with them and bring donations to different hospitals. We started in the Ivory Coast with the National Day of the Kangaroo Method. Last year was our first year participating, and it was just myself and another organization called Trust Your Strength. But this year, we're actually going with 11 other young women and organization to the Ivory Coast, and the donations will be giving out or up to now about $20,000. So we are excited. We are happy, a bit stressed, but we are excited and happy about that because in 2 years I think we went over 1,000 percent in the donations that will be given out this year.
So I love it. I love it.
Thank
That's
you.
what we love to hear. That's that success that we love to hear. Way to go. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Go ahead and put your contact information in the chat so that way people can follow you and tap in. If there's somebody on the call that you think you should connect with, please do not wait. Take action today, not tomorrow. Make sure you reach out to them. This is where we come to collaborate, grow, and win together. So I know that your selfish coach, Ariska, is on out of Dallas, Texas. She said her success story was that she was invited and elected to serve as a member on a local nonprofit board that serves minority owned female entrepreneurs. So, congrats to you for that, Ariska. Way to go. Self care ain't selfish. And, we got to get that PTSD out there. So, way to go, Ariska. And let's see, not least, let's go to Dr. Belinda Sanders. Dr. Belinda Sanders, great to see you on the call. Go ahead and unmute, introduce yourself real quick, and share a success story for the week with us.
Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone is well. I do apologize for not being able to be on camera. Those Apple iPhones are quite interesting and very inconsistent lately. However, I made it on and I'm just grateful to be here. So, my name is Dr. Belinda Sanders. I am the founder and CEO of Fidelity Wealth Group, which houses over 200 insurance agents and growing. And I'm super excited to be a part of the Mastermind with Preston. I'm also a podcaster with, those of you may or may not know, Dear Future Husband podcast. I am the creator as well as the founder of Dear Future Husband podcast. Um, Soon to come, very soon with more episodes. So we're super excited about that too. But my big win for the week is that we were able to position three of our team members to get to the director position with the company. So that within itself was exciting. We were also elected as an organization to be in the top 2% in the industry right now. So we're so elated and just honored as well as humbled to be honored in that position. So I'm just excited for everything God is doing, and I'm just happy to be partnered with the individuals that God has brought to us.
Awesome, B. Did you say you was number two, or you said you was number two?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
all right,
number
all right,
two.
all
So
right.
we're
So
just super excited about that.
yeah, we on the journey to take number one. You know, we hunt, so I like number two. That means we in progress.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
And then Preston, what's so beautiful about that is because I stopped looking at what my goals are and I put my focus towards the team's goals. And when I did that, I noticed that the numbers just began to really truly increase. So my goal is to help others get their money as an issue out of the way for them. And any issues that or concerns or goals that I have becomes mine by default. So it's just a pleasure to be able to lead.
Hey, love it, B. And it looks like
Thank you,
Diaria.
sir.
Diaria, can you come on camera real quick? She said she worked with you. We collaborated with Dear Future Husband 2 years ago.
Yes, yeah, sorry, my dear future wifey, sorry, got the name wrong. Dear future
Oh,
wifey, we
yes.
collaborated
Mhm.
2 years ago for my event, The Empowering You. You guys came on, did it. I don't think we met
Amazing.
directly though, but
No, we did not. Dear Future Wifey with Latarius Whitfield is season one and season two producer of Dear Future Husband podcast. So yes, we've worked very, very closely together. He manages and runs the YouTube channel for Dear Future Wife for Dear Future Husband. So it's such a pleasure to meet you, Daria.
Awesome,
same.
awesome,
Mhm. I'm
awesome,
in the
awesome.
Dallas area as well.
You back in Dallas, Diaria?
Not right now, but I'm just saying when I come back, I'll be in Dallas.
All right, all right. Let me know when you coming back because we need to see you. We need to see you. All right. So I guess I'll share my success story. Preston R. Harris, the master builder, elevating black mastermind, hunters mastermind. I great success stories. We've been building on every area. Doing some work with Fidelity Wealth Group and TWA. Really excited about the things that we're building there. We were supposed to have a guest speaker from the Power Tech Summit, Delano A. Johnson. He is from the Power Networking universe. I put the link to the event that they have coming up in April. They are part of Mastermind, so we are going to partner with them to help support this event. Also, Remoting.work, who is our Mastermind family, we finalized our content partnership. So we will be doing, they will be helping run our Elevating Black social media pages. And we will also have an event in Memphis with them to promote their virtual work services, the remote work services. So very excited about that. And just continuing to build and grow. We've got a lot of stuff. Finally got appointed, and just excited to run it up this week. So thanks for being on Mastermind. So what we'll do real quick right now is we'll go to our business pitches. I'm going to do a 45-second timer. What we want to hear is about your business product or service. The question is, would you buy yes or no? And then we'll have a brief presentation from Dr. Belinda just to talk about some of the wealth options that we have and some of those opportunities that we have to build wealth with one another. That's one of the things we're going to be focusing on in 2026 is just making sure that all of our members are set up with the proper protection so that way and the proper investment so we can can build wealth together. So we're going to get started with our business pitches. I'm going to go first to Michelle. I'm going to get started with Michelle. And Michelle, if you could pitch, I would love for, I think Rexford may have some stuff that is similar or in the arena. So I would love for him to hear your pitch. So, Michelle, you ready to go? Hmm. Okay.
Can I go second? I'm working on. I was working on it while everybody else was talking about the success story.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
see. Rexford, we're going to switch it up. Rexford, are you there? Mhm. All right. Rexford is unmuted.
I can
Diari,
go.
you have something?
No, just I can go.
Rexford. All right. It looks like Rexford cannot speak. Um, let's go Quincy. Quincy, you can be up first. We want to hear your pitch. You got a lot going on in Nigeria. Uh, we're excited to see how we can support and hear about that. So Quincy, if you're free, we'd love for you to come on camera. We've got 45 seconds on the clock. We'd love to hear your business pitch. All right.
Although I'm so sorry, I didn't prepare like a pitch deck, but verbally,
Yep.
um, I'm building an advertising solutions platform. And what this basically does is it simplifies advertising to everyone in general. Although the stage we are at the moment, which is close to deploying, the stage we are at the moment is just it's starting with Nigeria for one, and we would expand into other countries. The next phase for phase two would be Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, the UK, and and some parts of the US. Right. Basically, what the platform would do is it just basically cuts out all of the middleman situation that typically happens. A lot of people have lost money trying to utilize middlemen for advertising, and that's where the platform would come in place. A lot of people increase monies for advertising uh, times three, you know, while not particularly giving the clients the value that they deserve. But that's what the platform will be doing, right? From out of homes to billboards to radio, television, print media, the whole 9 yards of advertising. Basically, that's it. And this stems from my practice owning an advertising agency. I've worked with DRA on a couple campaigns. We've done from music promotion campaigns to brand promotional campaigns as well, here in Africa and the UK, as well as I've forgotten the last country. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing at the moment. And I think you mentioned something about what I would like. What I would like would be a partner who can assist financially because it's been financially tasking to build this. Basically, that's just it.
Cool, cool, cool. All right, let's go to Michelle. Michelle, would you buy? Yes or no? And Quincy, I got some people for you.
Uh, yes, especially if the
Thank you.
company is based in Africa. These are services that are needed in order to, I'll say, to make their businesses a bit easier when it comes to the marketing side, and when also it comes to attracting more customers, because it's really hard dealing. Most businesses back home are cash dealing, but now that credit cards, not credit cards, but debit cards and things are being introduced to the community. If we have more of those services, I think it'll be much easier on most families and most customers. So most definitely, yes.
Michelle, do you think he would be a good person to introduce Johan to?
Yes, he'll be a very good person to introduce you on to. Absolutely.
Okay. So
Mhm.
Quincy,
Yes, sir.
we have a venture capital firm that's in Mastermind out of Cote d'Ivoire. What we'll do is we'll get you in touch with Johan.
Okay.
Um, Michelle, do you have his number? Or I'll
Yes,
find it.
yes, I do.
Okay, can you add it to the chat? We want to get you in touch with Johan. He has a venture capitalist firm, and he may be able to to help with that. We also know some investment bankers out of Cote d'Ivoire. I don't know if we got any in Nigeria, but maybe they'll be able to help get you some of the funding that you're looking for.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I appreciate the effort.
All right, awesome, awesome. So, thank you, Quincy. Go ahead and put your contact information in the chat for us. We look forward to hearing from you. So, Michelle, you are up. We're going to go to Sheradine. Sheradine, you have the feedback for Michelle. Feedback is would you buy yes or no? So, Michelle, you are up. Sheradine, you have the feedback. Michelle, you ready to go?
Yes, I am.
All right, you are up in three, two, one. Let's go.
As a founder of Bienet Foundation, I am deeply committed to empowering underserved community across Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, and beyond. We believe education is more than a right. It is a foundation for dignity, opportunity, and generational transformation. Through our initiatives of such Through our initiatives, such as our Celebration of Excellence, we have provided critical resources, including school uniforms, tuition assistance, laptop, and essential supplies, supporting over 2,800 students in the 3 years that we've been operating, with support of valued partners such as Walmart, USAID, Krispy Kreme, Sephora, and more. You are able to join our safekeeping family by connecting with us at bienetrefoundation.org or directly reach out via phone 240-625-5798 or also joining our mastermind. We will be able to collaborate for better things. I am not done with the bottom part, but that's about what I have.
All right, Sheradine, go ahead and tell her, would you buy yes or no? Anybody else, if you have feedback, please share it. That's what we're here for. But Sheradine, would you buy yes or no? Let's see if
Hello, sorry, I was serving a customer. Hello,
hello, we
can
can
you
hear
hear
you.
me? Sure. Yeah, I was busy serving a customer. You may have to ask someone else.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll go to Diaria. Diaria, would you buy yes or no?
But or bias.
Diaria, you're kind of hard to hear.
Okay. Yes, I would like to see like where you have that in writing.
Oh, you're even harder to hear now.
Ah, let me try. Let me go out and come back
All right. Um, Michelle, this is what I'm gonna say. You was reading. I know you.
I had to write it down.
I know when you reading. I know when you reading. Okay, I need it to come from the heart. You know what being that does. You know how you serve the community. You know those amazing things. You know what's gonna pull on my heartstrings. You don't need Chat GPT to tell you what you do. You just tell us what you do.
Okay.
Okay. You don't trust yourself.
So we had a great guide last week on Mastermind as to, how to better your peach. So I'm trying to better my peach.
Your pitch is great, but we also need the emotion and the energy.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
when because you're in nonprofit and you take in donations, you have to pull people's heartstrings. So, utilize the stories that you have that will help you get to that next level. I'm gonna get us started.
Okay.
I'm gonna pitch for your selfish coach real quick. I'm gonna get us cracking. So somebody, Michelle, give me the countdown.
Okay. You ready? Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go.
So, I need to tell you about how I stopped my self-sabotaging behaviors by working with your selfish coach, Ariska Scott. What Ariska focuses on is PTSD. Those are the behaviors that we take on after we've been through trauma, through relationships, through business, through all these different things in life. And what I realized what I was doing is I was taking myself out of situations that I belonged in because I didn't feel like I belonged there. And so I went to your selfish coach. She said, P, you belong. This is where you're supposed to be. Stop sabotaging yourself and let's get on track. So I got selfish. I believed in myself. I believed that I deserved the success that I wanted. And now I'm on track for everything that I want. If you want to stop self sabotage, go check out your selfish coach today.
Wow, amazing job, Preston.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. But I want that feeling in your pitch. I want that. Hey, I got to move in your pitch. Okay. Tell me the problems that's getting solved in that pitch. Okay. You know all the people that you done helped all over the world. You don't need no chat GPT to tell you about what you're doing. You hear me? Go ahead, Michelle. What are you saying?
It okay. I got you.
If you just practice your pitch
Okay.
and say, this is what I want to say. You know what hits people.
Got it.
So you're a global superstar, Michelle. We can't we need you. We need you. So all right, Diaria, you there?
Yes.
You're still a little hard to hear.
No,
Is it something with your speaker?
I guess so.
'Cause I want you to have the screen. Um, all right, let's go. Dean, can you pitch? Are you still helping customers? She might be still helping customers out in West
No,
London.
no, no, I'm here. I just couldn't get
Okay.
myself off mute. Sorry.
All right. So we're gonna go to you, Dean. I'm gonna
Okay.
put 45 seconds on the clock. Tell us all about Sarah's haberdashery. You're up
Okay.
in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Sarah's Haberdashery is a cute little boutique store in Shepherd's Bush, London, in Shepherd's Bush, West London. It was first owned by my mum, and then she took early retirement, and I took over the business. Um, yeah, so I named it, basically, she named it Sarah Textiles because she was selling materials. And then I named it Sarah's Haberdashery because I just sell haberdashery products. So it's basically a dressmaker's heaven. I sell everything from zips, buttons, elastic, threads, ribbons, fur, zips, things for you to put on your hats. You name it, I sell it. Elastic, everything. Yeah, I'm hoping to expand the business. That's why I've joined the masterclass. I want to build on my website and make a lot of money. There you go.
I love it. I love it. Let's go to um Quincy. Would you buy that? Yes or no? Let's see if Quincy can give us some feedback here. Mm,
Hello, Preston.
yes, sir. Give us
Sorry, I
some
missed the last.
feedback. Would you buy yes or no?
Sarah's haberdashery.
Yes, sir.
Oh yes, yes.
Okay. What about her pitch stood out to you?
Um. Uh. So there's the point of generational transition, right? Passed down by her mom. right? So it kind of shows consistency, right? But the only challenge I had, or a bit of a challenge that I had, was calling it a little business. That was the only challenge I had, and it was in the first sentence. I think it
Ooh,
kind of
like that.
downplays it.
That's good feedback. Shardine, you heard him?
I know I said little boutique.
Little boutique, yes.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, Sheridan, you getting big. We out here scaling. We about to be the biggest boutique. We gonna have shares haberdashery all over the world. I love it. So it ain't gonna be little no more.
Thank you.
All right, I love it. All right. So, all right, thank you. Let's go. Diaria, can you talk? Let's see if we can hear Diaria real quick. If not, um,
Can you hear me? It's still low.
still super low. It wasn't even this low earlier.
Something I don't
All
know.
right, so we'll let Diaria get that together. Let's go, Dr. B. Dr. B would love to hear you pitch real quick, but also I don't really want to do 45 seconds with you. Rexford, we'll get to you in just a second. Um, but I want you to kind of just explain what you do. Kind of, you said you were number two, so in the industry. So kind of just understanding what that is and just how you're helping. I know Michelle and I are part of Fidelity Wealth Group and on the team. But just what that looks like and how you're helping people. If you could just give us a good 5 minutes of that, then we'll get back because hopefully we can fix the Aria sound by then, and then get Rexford and them to pitch. So, Dr. B, are you free?
Absolutely, Preston. Again, thank you so much for this amazing mastermind group and for everything you do for our community and actually for our world. We appreciate you. So, definitely, again, my name is Dr. Belinda Sanders. I am the founder and the CEO of Fidelity Wealth Groups. And but I am absolutely nothing without the individuals that I partner with. And the company was recognized as number two position in the industry just last night. And but it was solely because of helping individuals just like some of you on this call to get to the next level in this industry. Um, Once we realize that this is the industry where most millionaires are created, why are we not taking full advantage of it, right? Why am I not slowing down to help break generational curses? Why am I not slowing down to help show someone else how I've arrived and well actually I'm still arriving at my goals, you know? So it's been such a pleasure to be the first domino in the lives of so many individuals right now. And I look forward to everything that God is doing and everything that God actually has in store for Fidelity Wealth and some of the other new brokers coming up. Like I know Preston has is now building his brokerage with Integrity Marketing Group and Fidelity Wealth, which is an amazing opportunity. Michelle, I haven't had the opportunity to really speak to her and game plan, but we are on the front line of helping individuals create what we like to consider state farm agencies. So doing that puts you in a position to literally not replace anything that you're already doing, but to add to what you're already doing. So a lot of individuals say, yeah, well, Miss Dr. B, I don't have a lot of time, so that's why I haven't moved forward. Well, I understand that a full-time option is not for everyone. So what we do for individuals that are busy, what we do is we collaborate with you. We'll come in and we three things that we like to do for you guys that are super busy. We come in and we offer you our number one to make sure that you and your team have a full-fledged benefits package in place. And we want to make sure that we're serving you in a way to make you look good for you and your team. or your potential employees. What this does is position you and your business to evaluate at a much higher scale and to be positioned in a position to be able to sell your business. Says if we really realize what business is not for you to fall in love with the art of just doing business, but businesses are done or should be done. Your mindset should be, my job is to come in, make this business into a multi-million dollar organization and then to sell it. Okay, scale to sell. And that's what business is for. So we position you here in the finance industry to scale and to sell, right? Whatever industry you're in, that's our goal. How are we going to do that? We're going to make sure that you and your partner have an ironclad succession plan in place. We're going to make sure that whatever your exit strategy is for long term, whether it's 10 years from now, whether it's 3 years from now, we're making sure that you have the leverage that you need in order to properly be able to do that. The third thing we'd like to do is, because you're so busy, we want to make sure that we're allowing you to benefit from your success by creating another third stream of, or I don't want to say third, but for some reason third keeps coming out. So we want to make sure that we're creating an additional stream of income by adding you to our referral ecosystem program. What does that look like? The only requirement that you would have as a busy business owner is allow us to assist you with becoming licensed. That typically take 3 to 5 days. So so basically you can be licensed as a full-fledged financial agent, financial license consultant within your first 7 days. And then once you have gotten licensed, then we are going to take referrals from you. And as we do that, we're going to build up an agency for you. So we are offering this to multiple of our partners in the area. We have partnered with banks, we partner with educational systems, we have partnered with restaurants like Carrabba's, we've partnered with um, the YMCA. I mean, you name it. We have partnerships in the community, and we're continuing to spread abroad and as well as domestically, and doing everything that we can to help to bring leverage to our communities. And the most beautiful thing about Fidelity Wealth is not that we just care about making money, but we also care about refunding our communities with the resources that we are able to acquire. So, one of our biggest goals last year, we were able to donate over 6 figures to churches, communities, orphanages, in places like Ghana and West Africa. And we've also been able to put walls on schools. We've also been able to donate actual churches in a box. So that's a big deal for me. I think that every community, whether you believe in religion, faith, or not, every community needs a place to go to while they are in need. So my organization has been responsible for donating last year about 12 churches in the boxes remotely around the world. So we continue to do that. And for 2026, going into 2027, our goal is even bigger than what we were able to accomplish in 2025. So we are definitely looking for individuals to partner with us, not to add more to your plate, but we want to come into the door asking, how can we serve you? How can we make you look good? And how can we increase your bottom line? And how can we help you to scale so that eventually you can sell? Thank you so much, Preston, for your time.
Absolutely. Does anybody have any questions or anything that they want to ask Dr. B, or anything they want more clarity on? Daria, go ahead.
Yes, I just wanted clarity on
Daria, can you either we either might need to have you talk really loud, or I'm gonna call you, and I'm gonna call you regular and just see if that works a little bit better.
What I think it may be, Preston, is that she may have taken a call while on the line, and sometimes that happens to me. So if you go up to the top and press the speaker button, if you touch that, it will probably bring your speaker back on or your volume back up.
Daria, are you here? Okay, what's your question? So, Dr. Belinda, she just wanted some clarity. She wanted to know, is it like a course? Is it a program? Does it make you an agent? Can you give a little bit more insight to what that process looks like?
The process for licensing,
Or
or is
to
it just
work
a
with you with Fidelity Wealth Group?
Absolutely. So the process to be able to work with us is just basically you want to start out by sending us your information, first, last name, email address, and Preston has the information that would be needed. The second thing is then we get on the phone and take you through an orientation, and the orientation would see then what your needs are as a business owner and where you are in the community and how we can serve. Then from that point, we put together a plan that is specific and custom to you and your business to help you all scale in the community as well as right in your hometown. So it's there's different ways, but our product is to help grow, save, and protect business owners and family members' money. So whether or not you are trying to figure out what you're going to do with your 401k, or whether or not you look in your bank account and you realize, you know what, I don't even have a 401k, or I don't even have a plan for retirement, then we help to make sure that all those things are put in place for you in a way that secures your financial future. So often we deal personally with a lot of entrepreneurs. And one of the biggest issues that our entrepreneurs have is not about whether or not they can get the money, but how are they sustaining it? What plan do they have in place that if they could not work, do they have a plan in place that they can accelerate any benefits while they're alive so that they can actually walk away from any type of incident, any type of catastrophic situation, disability, illness with multiple six figures? Just because they properly positioned themselves. As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell you a quick story. I have a young lady that I recently we didn't partner with her in terms of our referral program and our collaboration with businesses, but she came on just as a client and as an agent. She didn't really um, make the time for the business after getting licensed. But what she did do is she made sure that her and her family was protected. So one of the first things she decided to do was get her and her family a half a seed. Well, she had no idea that 7 months later she would have cancer. It was in her medical records that she is a twin and that her twin died of breast cancer. But she was cleared and they approved her for coverage. So we also decided that, hey, we need to make sure that in the event cancer does try to sneak up or anything tries to sneak up on you, that you are covered. So um not that we're trying to plan for a funeral by any stretch of the imagination, but we want to make sure that you are not devastated financially, you don't lose your mortgage or your home because of a disability or illness, whether it's critical or terminal or chronic. We want to make sure that in the event anything does occur, that you are that we have a plan in place to make sure that your finances are good. So she called me 8 months, I'm sorry, 8 months later after our first meeting, and she said, B, I have cancer. Of course, obviously, I sat with her, prayed with her, and then I began then to implement strategies to secure her and her assets. So the first thing I did was contact the insurance company on her behalf, and immediately they told her, No, because something in your MIB report came up, and besides, you haven't had the policy long enough. So we then reminded them that the contestability period will be up in 3 months, but this does qualify for critical illness. So when we first called, we thought that it was a chronic illness. So they immediately denied it. But with strategy and having the right people on your team, we were able to go back to the insurance company, and within 2 weeks, they sent her a letter saying that she qualified to receive a check for $286,000 and out of her for $500,000. So it's a beautiful thing about, knowing that as an entrepreneur, you have things in place to make sure that you just have a plan B. So we also help individuals that don't have a 401k, but yet they've been working and pulling out their money because of inflation. 401k does not plan for inflation, right? So when you sat down with your employer 10 years ago or 5 years ago or even 20 years ago in some cases, and you said that I'm going to contribute $60 a week into my 401k, and your employer said they would do the same thing, you didn't think that inflation would not match that. So right now we're finding so many baby boomers or so many individuals that are in a situation to where they need to create lifetime income from the work they've already done. So another quick story, and then I'm done, Preston. Okay, a young lady, she had about $600,000 in her 401k that she rolled over to an IRA. And her and she sat down. She was like, Melinda, I really need to know what I need to do, because according to the money I have right now, I can't live past 79. I was like, well, that's a problem. We need to fix that. She's like, yes. And she said, in addition to that, if you really add up my expenses, and if I do not work, I can't live past 72. I was like, okay, so the problem is bigger than what I thought. So what we decided to do is I decided to go out fishing, and I went and I looked at the companies that I was currently partnered with, and I decided to submit with another company that I heard a lot about but wasn't currently partnered with. So I partnered with them just for this client. And within 3 weeks, we were able to bonus her $250,000. So her $37,000 a month, a year, that she thought she had to live on became now $56,000. So we were able to get her $20,000 more, in addition to stretching out her benefits to where she can never outlive them. So not only are we giving you more upfront, starting immediately the year that you roll over your 401k, if you're over 60, we are also stretching it out and making sure that your lifetime income is secured at an increasing rate. So 10 years from now, she's starting out right now at over 50,000 partnering with us, but in 10 years her annual income from the 600,000 will be over 170,000, because I put her on increasing. So there's so many different strategies that we have, and we're just super excited to be able to partner with all of you all on Mastermind. So Daria, I hope that answers your question a little bit about what we do. We do things on a smaller scale as well. We help individuals with small term policies, as well as, like maybe they just need to protect their mortgage in the event something happens to them. We're not talking about death. We're talking about while you're alive. In addition to if you pass away, you don't want to lose your home. You don't want your family. You want your home to stay in your family. So we also help individuals like real estate agents come aboard and partner with us, and they are now bringing more value to their clients, because in the event that client gets in any type of issue, maybe they lose their employment because of a disability, maybe they lose their job because of inflation or our economy, they need to know that they have a plan B in place. So we help realtors to bring more value to their existing clientele by offering our services as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna say this. One of the things that we all talk about is generational wealth, and you hear it as a buzzword in our community all the time, but this is how you actually build it. And so that's why I got with Dr. B. I've seen Dr. B. She's been in the game, what, Dr. B, maybe 15 years.
Yes, sir,
Um,
Kristen.
Yep. And so, when we're really talking about building generational wealth, and then as entrepreneurs, it always talks about having those multiple streams. If you know people who could use what Dr. Belinda has offered, you can send them a referral, and being a licensed agent, then you can receive commissions off of that. So that's something that we just want to set up for our mastermind community, for our mastermind family, just so we can continue to serve. A lot of us have nonprofits, have different businesses that we can supplement with a little bit of income through just introducing somebody to a policy. I know that Michelle, we're going to set some stuff up where they can donate to her nonprofit based on the insurance companies that we partner with. So that's just what we're trying to do in Mastermind is we want to build wealth. We want this to be the biggest bridge to Black wealth and to connecting commerce and community in the world. So thanks, Dr. B. We appreciate you. So what we'll do is Rexford, I'm going to give you your 45 seconds if you're free, if we can get you on, if we can get you on the mic. And then what we'll do is one thing I'm looking to give to the group. The thing that you're looking to give could be a share, could be a like, could be time, could be a discount, could be a free service, whatever it is that you're willing to give it to the group. And then the thing that you're looking to receive. So the thing that will move your business forward could be a referral. If you're going to say a referral, tell us what type of referral, but tell us how we're going to move forward, what you're looking for in order to move forward. So let's go to Rexford real quick. Rexford, if we can get you to unmute, let's get you to do your 45 seconds so we can hear about your business, product, or service. All right, Rexford is gone, so we won't do that. Let's just get started with Michelle. Michelle, I just got to give you a quick testimonial. Love the work that you've been doing. I see you everywhere now. I know the work that you're doing with Shanice, getting ready to load up the new products and the new stuff. But to hear a $20,000 increase from the last 2 years for the BNet Foundation to the stuff that you're doing in Africa is amazing. I'm just so grateful to be able to work with you. Thanks for coming by the Wealth Academy when you drove down from South Carolina before you went to the Virgin Islands and stopped into the office so you could kind of see what we have going on there. But we're a freight train coming, so I just appreciate you, Michelle. Thanks for introducing us to Johan as well. I think that's going to be a great connection for Quincy and for Odette and Cote d'Ivoire as well. So go ahead and give us one thing you're looking to give, one thing you're looking to receive.
One thing I'm looking to give is also always referrals because again, with the travels, we're always meeting different people and listening to their stories and trying to connect them to the different family members that we have here on the mastermind. So it's always referrals, and really help each one of us as businesses to grow. And again, one thing I'm looking to receive is also share, my flyers, my campaigns, our successes that we go throughout the years, so that we can have more eyes onto the work that we do. And you never know, it may fall on someone's eyes that will be like, I was looking to invest into a nonprofit, but there you go, because we've built our integrity and our history when it comes to work and things like that. So that's basically it for me, Mr. Preston.
All right, what's a good referral for you? You said referrals. Tell us what a good referral looks like for you.
Oh, me? Oh, no. I said I will be given referrals,
Oh, you'll
basically
give
listening to the
referrals.
different businesses. Yes. And
Okay,
then
okay.
when we go places and we meet people, listening to their stories, we know to whom to connect them with in order to build it won't be like in order to not only make sure that the family gets bigger, but to also build each one of us's businesses.
I love it. I love it. Thanks so much, Michelle. Go ahead and put your contact information in the chat one more time.
Okay.
And appreciate you being on the call. Let's go to Sheradine. Sheradine, it was good to see you in West London today. Got to see the haberdashery shop. some of the jewels that you were selling. So that's wonderful. Thank you for making the connection for 100 Black Men in London. I met Sheridine in the group of 100 Black Men of Ghana, and she connected us with 100 Black Men of London. And then I got to speak on that platform, and it was wonderful. So, Sheridine, thank you so much. We appreciate you. What's one thing you're looking to give? One thing you're looking to receive? Mm-mm-mm. Okay, she may be with a client or a customer right now, so we'll allow her to do that. Let's go to Quincy. Quincy, thanks for joining the call today. Appreciate your business, man. I love what you're doing in Nigeria. I think I got some connections for you that we're gonna make. I know that Johan should be a good one, but we'll see what else we can do. Also, definitely want to check out your radio show and see how we can support that platform and be a part of that. What's one thing you're looking to give? One thing you're looking to receive, sir?
In reference to giving, I'm open to collaborations to businesses, and I'm open to offering services to other members on the platform. If there's a way that I think that I can help scale your business, either via advice or through documentation or expanding reach in Nigeria or in Africa, I'm open to doing that. And also referrals, as it was mentioned earlier, right? Open to referring people who are interested in what's it called, investing in non-governmental organizations, and the likes. What am I hoping to receive? Collaborations, essentially, right? Referrals as well. I'm open to referrals. I want to see how we can all, how, it's essentially just impact for me, right? If I'm sure that I can do my best to impact the group, and let's see how that can be exchanged as well, basically.
Quincy, what's your app called?
It's called Ad Prime.
Ad Prime. Okay, you put that in the
Ad
chat for
Prime.
us. You put that in the chat for us.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
and
doing that. I'm doing that at the moment.
I'm gonna touch base with you after this and just see what opportunities that I can help send your way. But
Sure.
I appreciate that, and make sure you touch base with Michelle. Um,
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Michelle can help, hopefully help, that might help her expand to do some more work in Nigeria. But the work that she does is amazing. And if we can advertise that in Africa, we've got some initiatives that we're
Of
looking
course.
at for West Africa that may make a lot of sense. So thank you so much for being on the call, sir. Put your contact information in there as well. And we look forward to continuing to connect and collaborate with you, brother.
Absolutely. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Let's go to Sheridine.
Hi,
Sheridine.
sorry. Yes, I was with a customer. Sorry.
Hey, that's okay. That's okay. Go and get your money. That's what we want you to do. That's what we're here for.
Yeah.
So thank you for joining Mastermind. We appreciate you. Thanks for being part of the family. What's one thing you're looking to give? One thing you're looking to receive?
Oh Christ. I'm looking to give customer satisfaction. I am actually the biggest haberdashery shop in West London. I should have said that to you. A lot of haberdashery shops have closed down. So we get people traveling miles to come and see us. Even big stores like Selfridges and Harrods. Bear with me. Sorry. Sorry, I'm gonna have to go. I've got a customer. Sorry.
Right, go and get your money, Sheridine. That's what I love to hear. Go and get the money. Michelle, you had something? Oh, Michelle's good. All right, Dr. Belinda Sanders. Doc, thank you for educating us. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and your extensive wealth expertise. Thank you for helping protect those communities. I love the story that you told about how you went to bat for your clients. That's what we have to do. We got to go to bat for one another. I just got to give Dr. Belinda a testimonial. I met Dr. Belinda through Shanice. We did a holiday retreat. We were both speakers there, and I've got to see Dr. Belinda just continue to grow, pivot, grow, and nothing can stop this woman. She is unstoppable, literally unstoppable. And so just love the stuff that you do, Dr. Belinda. Thanks for your leadership, your diligence, and your desire to help us build wealth. And just appreciate you. So go ahead and unmute. Share one thing you're looking to give, one thing you're looking to receive.
All right. Well, Preston, obviously, it's always a pleasure partnering with you and also the Mastermind group. So, yes, I am looking to give free consultations. I mean, let me just have a look to see if there's anything that I can do to help to secure your financial future. Each entrepreneur, business owner, parent, husband, wife need an ironclad wealth strategy around you that is rock solid. Let me help to secure your financial future in that way. Um, and the thing about it is that it's just simple shifts in activity that does that. So it's just amazing. What I'm looking to receive, just I'd love for Fidelity Wealth to become a household name to you. All things insurance, all things wealth building, 401ks, rollovers, IRAs, annuity, indexed products, anything that helps to grow, save, and protect your money. I would love to be a household name for you and your family. Right now, we're partnering with different women's events and we're doing free community workshops to help to educate the industry. And yeah, so that's what I would like to receive.
Awesome. Ariska, you should definitely touch base with Dr. Belinda. The reason I say that is if you're a speaker, if you speak and you have influence, there's no reason why you don't add this to your repertoire. You know what I'm saying? If you're helping people overcome self-sabotage and all those things, a lot of us sabotage ourselves with our finances. So if we can help put plans together in place to make that better, that's something that you can help with, and it's nice financially as well. So that's definitely something you should touch base with, and I look forward to having you there. I got to give a shout out to my business partner on this Africa Mastermind call, Diaria Hookfin. I know didn't have the best sound from her today, but I do need to give Diaria a huge shout out. Thank you for inviting Quincy and Rexford. Diaria has been my partner in this for about 3 years. Always sourcing people from the continent of Africa, bringing them to this call so that way we can build bridges together and grow. She not only runs the radio station in Ghana, but she is the top promoter for boxing. She runs Juneteenth nationally, the National Juneteenth celebration. We partnered together on the Marcus Mosiah Garvey Foundation. Diaria is a rock star, and Diaria, I appreciate you. Very grateful for you. We'll see if we can unmute you real quick and see if we can hear one thing you're looking to give, one thing you're looking to receive. If not, I will just give you a quick call and I will share it for the group. But let's give it a try. If you could unmute real quick. And say one thing you're looking to give, one thing you're looking to receive.
Is it working?
We can hear you a little bit better now.
Okay. Maybe just needed time. Oh, you're calling me. Okay. One thing willing to give, willing to receive. I'm open to, I would like to meet with you all. Definitely love to do that connection. So initial consult with everyone. Um, in exchange for that consult, I just want to, same thing, just anyone you can refer that may be interested in any of the initiatives I have or projects. Yes.
Dr. Belinda, you and Diaria should have a definite conversation with the stuff that she has in New Orleans and Dallas, and and that she's doing in Ghana. Y'all will mesh very, very well. And Diaria, I know how you are organization wise. Dr. Belinda is somebody you can deal with. So So thank you so much for the work that you do. I know that it's not always easy because you have those connectivity issues and the time, but Diaria is always on it, and just appreciate you for that. So I will, if I gotta send you ladies the numbers, I will put that in a WhatsApp group so you two can connect. But there's a lot of stuff, especially radio wise and podcast wise, that you all may be able to do together, especially with the Buck Wild Radio Show because you got some good stuff there. So. Michelle, please put your contact information in the chat. Quincy's trying to reach you. I'm gonna go to Dafion Bachat ba, ba, Bachia. If you wouldn't mind just introducing yourself real quick, unmuting, introducing yourself, and just telling us a little bit about you, what you do before we wrap up the call.
Hello, I'm Dafian Bashia. I'm here in the Indianapolis area and I just came on. I'm an agent. I'm working on my license. I am an advocate for the people, the working people, the families. This is what I want to give back. I've had 2 surgeries in 2025. I had 6 repairs from my hand to my shoulder. And if I had known what I know now, I would be set. But now I'm picking up the pieces. I visited my doctor today and he informed me I have to have another surgery within 2 weeks. So I'm kind of disappointed. At the same time, I'm glad to get, things back to where they should be, working diligently with physical therapists. And I want to help working families protect themselves against losses such as this. This is what I want to give. And what I want to receive are the rewards that the kingdom will reward me with, whether monetarily or spiritually. This is what I want. I feel like this is what I can give back. And this is a passion of mine because of what I've been through. So
Yeah, put your contact information in the chat. I will give you a call after this, and we'll work on some things so we can get you rolling and get you settled. I appreciate your diligence and your fighting, and don't let that. You did that surgery is just a setback for a major comeback. We need you at 100% so you can go out and save the world. So that's what we need from you.
Yes,
So.
yes.
So appreciate you for popping in and for sharing with us, and just know that we'll give you that positive energy, that push that you need in order to succeed. So appreciate you. Thanks for joining the call, and we'll touch base with you. Put your contact information in the chat, please, so that way we can be in touch. So I think I'm the last one. Thank you all for being on the call today. I appreciate it. We've got a lot of great stuff going in Mastermind. What I am looking to give is we have a pitch contest. So, what I'm looking to give is anybody who wants to be part of our pitch contest. We are partnering with the Urban League of Greater Atlanta to do a pitch contest with them. I would love to give you a free coaching session so that way you can win this contest. So, what I'm going to
I
do
thought
is
you were going to say we win cash.
Oh, you're gonna win cash. You will win cash. So it is it is both virtual and in person. So we will have our in-person side here in Atlanta. But we will have the virtual side where you can pitch from anywhere in the world. Um, Absolutely, Daria. Anywhere in the world and join the contest. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that everybody gets that opportunity to share about their business and gets to be heard, and that we put them in places to be the best that they can be. So if you're interested in our business pitch contest, if you're in Mastermind, you still do have to sign up just because it is a partnership with the Urban League. We would love to have you there. And this is not a 45-second business pitch. This is a 5-minute breakdown where people are asking you questions about your profit and loss, about your strategy, about your marketing plan, really diving deep into your business. So we're excited about that. I know we have Kyle from Mastermind who's already signed up. So we're excited about having as many people in there as we can. And then the thing that I'm looking to receive is people who should be part of our family. If this call has been beneficial for you, if you know that Mastermind is a great place for you, if you know other people who should be in Mastermind so they can get better at their business, bring them to the family. What we are here is we are the hunters, not the hunted. And what that means is that we're the ones who go out and make it happen, not the ones it happens to. We are the solution to the problem. So we don't allow any sulking. We don't allow anything. We hold you accountable to who you are, the champion that's in you, the greatness in you, and we help pull that out in you and we help push you to that greatness. And so if you need to be around people or if you know people who need to be in this community where greatness is the standard and excellence is the expectation, come to Mastermind because that's what we do. So my name is Preston R. Harris. Does anybody have anything else that we need to say before we wrap up the call today? All right.
I just want to say thank you so much for allowing me to join this meeting. It has been very productive. It has been inspiring. I prioritize knowledge acquisition, and I've gained a lot today. Thank you so much.
Hey, Quincy, thanks for joining us. We hope to have you back. And you know you're connected to Diaria, so you got the right one on your team. So
Sure.
so continue to stay plugged in. And I'll just wrap up with this. As we close every call, we are the hunters, not the hunted. You were created specifically for a time like this. Everything that you've been going through has been designed to set you up for this moment. So I want you to embrace the moment. I want you to start thinking about your victory. I want you to start living in that championship moment where you hit your goal, where you crush your goal, and everything that you desire is starting to come to you. I want you to feel that because that's where you're at right now. You could have quit many times, but you did not. And so now it is time for you to claim your new territory. It's time for you to claim your prize. It is time for you to reach the promised land. All you got to do is keep taking the steps. Put that pedal to the metal. Don't slow up. Put your foot on your enemy's neck. It is your time. Go get what you came to get. Go get what you came for. It is a terrific Tuesday, and I appreciate you. My name is Preston R. Harris. I am the host of the Hunters Mastermind. We'll see you same time, same place next week. And appreciate everybody. Follow us at Elevating Black on all your social media platforms, and we'll see you. Thanks, family. Appreciate you. And make sure you connect with somebody on the call. There's some great stuff for us to do. All right. Bye-bye, y'all.
Thank you so much, Preston. Guys, take care. Bye bye.
Yep. Thank you, everyone.